So what's up, everyone? To me, it seems off the price chart right now in Rivian that the buyers are convinced that Rivian stock is a must buy. We're going to talk about it because off of the recent price action that occurred in Rivian since my last video, which was on October the 5th, about 13 days ago, we've seen a couple of things that will substantiate that those buyers are definitely not trying to let the price go down. Let's talk about it. Because I did a video on October the 5th, and this is what the price action did on that day. Look at all that volume that appeared on October the 5th. That's an immense amount of volume. Would you say it stands out? When you see that much volume, when you see the spread of that volume on the price bar, you got to say, man, that's a weak market, right? You got to say that. You have to say, man, the market is going to continue to go lower because that is so much weight being pushed down in Rivian. But then when you get to the next day and you actually see the price bar and you see this, you're like, wait, hold up. Wait, something doesn't add up. If I saw all this volume the day before and a massive spread moved down, but the market the next day went up, that doesn't make sense. Unless somebody bought it, right? Come on, it's that simple. The chart is telling you already that somebody bought Rivian stock, all that volume the day before, and the market didn't go down. It held right there at $18. Somebody said that's a discount. Somebody said I got to buy Rivian at $18. Someone's convinced that the market in Rivian is bullish, that I'm buying it on the low right now because I know that price is going to go higher. You're not going to expend any real money in this game unless you had a high idea that price is going to go a certain direction. That is why even on the next day after that, October the 9th, price still didn't go down. Somebody knows something about Rivian. We don't know what that specific thing is, but we can see off of the footprint, off of the price chart, that someone knows something. So now, given that we see this, why would you want to come in and be bearish and look for price to go down? That's the bottom right there. Somebody's telling you that this is the bottom right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this price prediction. It's $18, which is around 15.11% since we originally did this price prediction. Let me show you something else though that I don't think you guys thought about. This horizontal line, let me bring it down and show you something. Okay, look to the left of the chart. What do you see? Whoever created, i.e. who bought Rivian here, they're doing it again. They're doing it a second time. Wow. Isn't that crazy? The market in Rivian during June, the beginning of July timeframe was massively bullish. Like, look at where price went and how fast. June 27th, the market was trading at $13.14. And then at the end of July 10th, the market went up 91.5%. So from June 27th to July 10th, the market ran up 91.5%. Now, cool, we got that. One of the negative things, though, is that even though we know the location as to where those buyers are at in Rivian, we also know where the sellers are. This is an easy game once you understand how to break down the charts. So even though we are suspecting that price in Rivian is going to go higher, we also now know, okay, let's be realistic. How high? Like, we're not going to say come in and hold a stock for the next 60,000 years and just hopefully that it's going to be more than what it is today. We can actually see off of historical information where those sellers are located in Rivian. this one area right there. This is one location that sellers are. Do you think price in Rivian is going to hit that? Do you think the price in Rivian is going to hit the low here? Because it actually already did. Right there. So the market already hit this area of selling. Will it overcome it though? Here it is on the 3-day chart. What about on the 5? 8 hours and 45 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar. If it closed higher than the previous 5 days, then yes, we would have to say that market in Rivian is a little bit more bullish. Okay, so these are my 2 targets though. Right there, those 2. It might hit 22, but that would take us closer to that downtrend line. Okay. I can't wait to see how the 2-weekly ends in Rivian in the next 2 days and 9 hours, because this bar here is emphatically weakness and selling. And if we see the market close higher than the previous 2 weeks, then definitely Rivian is up to no good. Like they're trying to really move this market to the upside of Rivian. If that's the case. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this. Let's pull this back. And let's go ahead and drop these 2 targets real quick. So that first target is here around $21.17, 6.17%. Second target is going to be around $21.50, which is 7.87. Okay. And then third will be anywhere on this downtrend line for Rivian. Okay. So yeah, I was going to do those 2 targets. I'm not going to do 22 yet. I really want to see if that strength is going to hold up in Rivian. So that's it. I'm finished. You guys are up. Welcome to the channel. If you guys want to learn more, hit that like button, share, and subscribe. And as I always say, make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.